Hey everyone, Mike Vecchione from the MarineMax store in Danvers, Mass. Standing on a 2023 Boston Whaler 24 Vantage. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 250 horsepower engine. Coming into the cockpit, to your right you have a transom walk-through door with a freshwater shower. Transom seat, which is nice and wide. When you're fishing, it folds away nicely right into the transom to get it out of the way. And this side, a insulated cooler as well. On the port side, you have storage, and then this is a flip back seat that folds all the way down, or you can put it in a position where you can use it as a leaning post. At the with a flip-up bolster, nice big Simride screen, stereo, all your gauges here that light up at night. On the port side, you have a nice big size head with a freshwater sink down below, vacuum flush head. Moving forward, that closes off the whole bow area with the window closed, and then behind the compartment where your moving forward, there's a windlass on the boat with another freshwater shower up in the bow as well. That's a quick walkthrough on the Boston Whaler 24 Vantage. If you have any questions, you can reach me at 207-730-1743. Thank you.